So in this video, I wanted to share my further negative experiences that I've had with my 2014 Tesla Model S85. Those of you who follow this channel will know that in the past I've had quite a few issues with this car with suspension knocks and clunks and things like that. Also that in March of 2022, I had brought my car to Tesla of Burbank, where they determined that the drive unit needed to be replaced. Actually, what it was a bushing in the drive unit that needed to be replaced, but they just replaced the entire drive unit. So I got the car back from them in March, and in my recap notes to them, I said, the noise is not completely gone, it's still there. And that was the end of that. So fast forward to October this year, I bring the car back in for some suspension knocks again. And while the car was there, I said, hey, can you guys please check on this low humming noise at freeway speeds? It's a continuation of the drive unit issue that you guys did 6 months earlier. The service advisor came back to me and said, yeah, your drive unit needs to be replaced. And I said, well, great, you guys just replaced my drive unit 6 months ago. And I complained after I got the car back that it was still making the noise. And they said, yeah. They said, well, if you want it replaced, you're going to have to do it on your own dime. And I said, wait, excuse me? You guys just replaced the drive unit 6 months ago, and you're not going to honor your defective drive unit? And they said, the car's out of warranty. I said, that's not the point. The warranty is not about the car. The warranty is about the drive unit that you replaced, and I had indicated that it was not working properly. So it's a continuation of the March service. After weeks of going back and forth with Tesla and Tesla Burbank, they unfortunately told me that they were not going to honor their work in March. So I'm stuck with a bad drive unit that they put in. So unfortunately, I'm quite ticked off about this, and this is just the latest in many issues that I've had with this 2014 Tesla Model S. I'd love to hear your experiences, and if you've had a lot of negative experiences with your Tesla. In my case, this car has not been a great one for us. Our 2019 Model 3 has been a little bit better. It still has some issues with interior creaks and knocks and things like that, but not nearly as bad as the Model S. Some people might say, well, it's because you have an older Model S, and I would be inclined to say to agree with you. However, while the car was in the shop, they gave me a newer Tesla Model S, a P100D, and I remember the first thing I said when I got in the car was, this thing drives as poorly as my 2014. In fact, it drives worse. And it just drives like a bucket of bolts. The Tesla Model S is just not a very good platform. There are plenty of videos out there praising the Tesla. I'd love to hear your comments if you've had any positive or negative experiences with your Tesla. As usual, please subscribe to this channel because it helps me with motivation, really, to report about these things more.